Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dent Net token. Ticker symbol is DENTX. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, September 23rd, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Dent Net is a global blockchain for communication or telecommunication assets such as mobile data or frequencies. So the network runs on a nominated proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and implements telco-specific concepts like operator sponsorship and asset expiry. Since the 90s, each mobile network operator has run on its own software for accounting, subscription management, traffic management, etc. Now, many of these services can be provided by a single platform, Dent's global blockchain. This will help operators and enterprises to automate processes, reduce costs, and speed up innovation. Dent Net will be used by mobile operators and their partners, such as enterprises, resellers, and service providers. Dent Wireless Limited will be the first operator using Dent Net. Now, it was just announced that this token will be listed tomorrow, September 23rd, 9 a.m. UTC time, on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search DENTX, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual so you guys can easily find this project. 121,200 Twitter followers. It also says they are followed by some other exchanges like BITRUE, KUCOIN, and COINEX Global. So most likely they'll be getting these big listings on those exchanges as well. I also have a BITRUE and COINEX Global referral code in the description box if you guys don't have accounts on those exchanges. Those are all very good exchanges here. Their Twitter is @DentCoin, and they have 914 tweets so far. So lots of updates on there, including the MEXC Global listing. Now starting today, the 22nd, there is a Kickstarter event for this project on MEXC Global where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops. And there is a reward pool available of 50,000 USDT. So why DentNet? Well, every country worldwide has mobile operators that provide access to the internet and other services. Operators have software, hardware, and employees to handle tasks like subscription management, accounting, or invoicing. In every country, mobile data is the same and subscriptions work the same way. But each operator is running and paying for its infrastructure to solve the same tasks. This is a lot of duplicated infrastructure and can be done much more efficiently with blockchain technology. Now, DentNet is designed to offer one global infrastructure for managing telecommunication assets such as mobile data or frequencies, with functions to buy and sell telecommunication assets automatic accounting, eSIM handling, and many more. DentNet started as the future operating system for modern mobile operators. So DentNet is a special purpose blockchain for telecommunication assets. The architecture and concepts of DentNet allow mobile operators to do parts of their operations on the blockchain. With our concept of operator sponsorship, it is possible to create wallets where fees are paid by an operator. This way, mobile operators provide native wallets to their subscribers, either custodial or non-custodial. Customers purchasing mobile assets want to use them. They do phone calls or use mobile data, and their remaining balance gets deducted. DentNet implements telco asset usage that enables usage tracking of asset balances on chain. Mobile operators are selling assets like mobile data packages that are expiring. Unlike other blockchain protocols, DentNet has a telco asset expiry management built in to reflect these market-specific rules. Now, they have here on their document section, the technical foundation you can go over, so Polkadot SDK, WebAssembly. They have tools like the Explorer, Bridge, Dashboard, Validator UI, wallets. They have technical documentation for Node API, operating a node, operating a validator, and change log. And the core concepts, so it says the main concept of DentNets are highlighted. The section focuses on DentNet fundamentals like accounts and transactions, and introduces the key telecommunications assets that are supported by DentNet. So they go over accounts. An account is a digital representation of a participant on DentNet defined by unique cryptographic key pairs. And they talk about addresses. An address on DentNet is represented by 47 characters prefixed with DX. Then they have the DentX balance. So accounts created on DentNet have a DentX balance. And this balance is used to pay transaction fees and perform staking. And then they have the account creation section. They have locking. Then they go over transactions, events, fees, proof of stake, treasury, and the token. It says they has 18 decimal places. DentX is the native unit of the DentNet exchange, basically similar to ETH on Ethereum, Bitcoin, or BTC on Bitcoin, BSC on Binance, etc. So check this out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about the DentX token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.